We look so nice.
We look so nice, and we're taking a picture with our aunties, Dominique.
Usually we book for December, but we booked for November because everything was packed and full and booked and busy this year. So we had to get an early date in November. So today is November 17th, and we're taking our pictures at 4:35. We're here early at Portrait Innovations. What is this? It's a pillow. I have on a lovely green dress. I got it from Ross. I love this bow on the side. Love my hair. Yeah, just waiting on our turn. We have our entourage here with us. We have Auntie Squishy, Auntie Dion, Camille. Camille. Hello. Look, Camille. Baloney. We're here at Portrait Innovation, taking our yearly Christmas photos. They got some pretty canvases back there. Having a good time. They're playing with blocks as I turn. We're definitely early. Luckily, it's not crowded. Usually, we come in December. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Look at the camera. Picture day. We are Portrait Innovation taking our picture. Trying to see if I could record and put on my Fidelity Shimmer lip gloss. Why you want to be silly? Oh. Camille ice cream shop. Got the. Can you open it? Other end. It's open. Now try it on. Oh, here we go.
There's nothing on it.
It is.
It's just shiny.
Okay, you put it on top of your lip now. Rub your lips together. Let's see. Say cheese. Nice.
That's what you did, Mom.
That's what I did.
That's what you did at your practice.
Oh, I did. I kind of did. You're right.
It's Santa Claus people. Go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money.
Song's over.
Push. 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 Go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money.
Don't get on the floor.
Push.
Be on the hype, man.
Go get the money. Go get the money. I don't know. I know some.